What's up, friends and fam? Welcome back to the channel. Market up or down? The market was down today. Still have this gap underneath, so be aware of that. Check out the brokerage count. Nothing happened today, but we only have the one holding. So let's go through the trading plan. Market was down, so I need to check stocks in my universe. So NOG, or stocks that we already own. NOG is the only one we own. Let's check out the screener. Look for NOG. It is not on there. Next step will be stocks in my universe. None of these make my universe. That tells me that this is not a deep correction. This is not a high value area. So now we'll just go down the line. I'm not going to do the Fox A class shares. We'll just do the B's here. For the average folks, you can see we have a dividend and a dividend EST and a TTM. I need both of them. Debt is under 4, long-term and debt over equity. And PEs are under 15. I'm looking for an average of PE and forward PE added up, divide by 2, should be under 15. So 47.95. Fox. Again, I'm trying to keep position size to 1% of my total account without using partial shares on this broker. It'll be a nice quick video. Good odds to increase the wealth, get to the next goal, to add into investing. And the broker froze. There we go. Wouldn't be a video without it, right? If you would, leave me a like, make sure you're subscribed, and share this with your friends. Certainly could do this faster without making a video, but I feel compelled to share my journey, so that's what we're doing. We're going to do first triggers a second to make it a round trip order. I'm going to be asleep when all this happens, working night shift in a factory. 47.95, limit order good till cancel with the extended hours on both. I'm going to take 47.95 times 1.01 to get my sell target. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. And be careful with these numbers because your broker will execute the order that you put in. So if you put the wrong price in, it's going to do some funky stuff. You want the sell price to be above the price you bought it at, right? So just make sure you got your stuff together. All right. We head back to the screener. Let's skip over these A-class shares and just keep it moving. If I find a reason to not take the trade, I just keep rolling. We have Eldos here. We've traded this in the past. Got nice PEs, dividends, debt, 113.58. Eldos. Again, first trigger's the second. I'm going to put a round trip order in. Just one share. Always a limit order. Good till cancel with extended hours. I'm going to take 113.58 times 1.01. All right, back to the screener. Got UWMC here, little mortgage, and you can see the debt is very crazy down here. always remember in the stock market and business and in life in general, debt equals risk. Okay, so it doesn't mean it's a bad company or a bad investment, but the debt does make it more risky. Here we got Western Union, very low PEs, very nice dividends, very high debt, but it is under 4, so 726, Western Union. So for this one, I have to take $28, which is 1% of my total account, divided by 726. It's telling me I need to take 3 shares. So 726 times 3 is 2178. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks like it's a little up in the after hours. None of that matters. I just use the closing print. That's why I like doing the videos here at night. Everybody's looking at the same price. Hopefully it's helpful to you. Always the limit order, good till cancel. Extended. Extended. Is that right? Should be right. So we'll go to the overview, do a little big picture. And you can see we have the buy and sell orders in for every position. This account could fully automated buy everything and sell everything while I'm asleep. And it's just a beautiful system. There is time of a day to do it if you have the want to. For a big picture, in my opinion, I just treat this as a sideways. I say sideways a lot, but it's true. Until we break this high, it's all just sideways. Easier way to see it, you go to the weekly. Definitely looks more sideways here, right? And everybody's talking about shorting and all this stuff, but they obviously don't look at charts. Because if you look out at the monthly, there is nothing bearish about this. Okay? If you think this is bearish, you got another thing coming. And good luck to all of you out there. Have a trading plan. Make sure it's written down in front of you and have the discipline to follow it. Also remember, this is not individualized financial advice. I don't know you. I couldn't give you advice anyways. I am not licensed. There are licensed people. Most of them are broke and don't really know much about stocks, but that's the job they have. And they'll be happy to help you and for a fee. And yeah, I'm not telling you what to do or making any recommendations to buy or sell anything, but this is what I'm doing, sharing my journey here for a little fun and education. Hopefully it's helpful to you. If it is, let me know down in the comment section down below. Leave me a like on your way out. We'll catch you in the next one.